Hello, friends. So, thus it starts. 1973 Celica ST. This car has been sitting in the Oregon desert since 1994 and just literally got lifted out of the desert and dragged into the garage. And when I say dragged, I mean dragged. I think you can see the skid marks where we had to drag it along. So I'm pretty excited. I'm super excited about this project, actually. This is a 1973 Celica ST. Backstory, when I was a teenager, my mom had one of these cars, and it was the car that, in theory was going to become mine, when I got older and got my license, but it never happened because we moved and we had to sell it as a family. So it's kind of a hole, something like that thing that never happened that was supposed to happen. So it's going to happen out of this beast. Obviously, a fair amount of work. Do a quick walk through and see what we got over the next year or two. It's going to be amazing, but for now, it's it's pretty intense. So I think every panel is touched. That's pretty punched in. The doors look pretty good. I mean, a couple imperfections there. These dog legs are pretty bad. Like that is soft. Let's see. Hey, look. Touch it and stuff comes out. Okay. Yeah. So, just an example of the fun we'll have. But, crucially, the front end looks really nice, actually. This is all just desert stuff. What is that, like lichen or something? I liken this to moss. All right, bad joke. But crucially, the bumpers are intact. So that classic Celica smiley bumper. And the hood is all good. This got punched in there, so that needs to be pulled out. And then again on this side, you can see these. Got the same situation here. This side, unfortunately, the forklift got to this one. Really pushed that in, but that'll be a matter of popping it out. Let's take a quick look inside. Yeah, I don't think we'll be reusing that. Oh, man. Everything has that patina of the desert and dust of 25 years. But there are two seats in here. 1, 2. And check this out. It's like that late 80s panoramic rear view mirror. Is that thing not amazing? Those used to be hot. It's interesting, sitting in the desert, this metal is pretty good, like that trim. Oh, it's all beautiful. But anything that was a soft, like this rubber, it just, it just turns into dust. Let's take a look at the back. The boots, unfortunately, pretty beat up. If I can find a replacement, that would be nice. But again, crucially, smiley bumper's in place. It looks like this is a little off. I don't know if that got punched. Something here got moved. Because on this side, well, I don't know, maybe that's how the line goes, but I thought those would line up. I thought they would line up. We'll see. I gotta look at some pictures on that. And I don't have keys, so there's a bunch of stuff in here. So the next step is to start emptying out the cabin, and the goal is to find a set of keys in here somewhere, hopefully. Maybe they threw them under the mat or something. We don't know. But, I mean, there's a dash there. I mean, I think all this stuff will clean up pretty well. All right, well, that's the project in front of us. Wish me luck. Hey, it looks like somebody got to this antenna. Better fix it. Oh. Look at that. That was easy. Let's see about these guys. Yeah, I think those wipers are good for another season.